Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to be making this cute little envelope for Valentine's. So this one I made in red. Today's one I'm going to be making in purple. Well, purple border with white. The link for the heart is in the description box. So you need any yarn that you want to use and an appropriate size hook and a pair of scissors and 2 stitch markers. If you don't have stitch markers, a piece of yarn will also do. So let's do this. You will start with a slip knot and you will chain 16. From the second, you'll go into the second chain and make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet across all those chain stitches, which will give you a total of 15 single crochets. This project is worked in single crochets. For the second row, you turn your work and make 15 single crochets across your work. So across all those stitches, you will make 15 single crochets. You're going to repeat row 1. So this is row 2 I'm doing. You will repeat row 1 until you have 20 rows in total. And that is where I will meet you. So don't forget, 15 single crochets across. And you can pause this video. So here we are. I've made my 20 rows. And I'm going to use a stitch marker and I'm going to put one on either side of row 20. Because I will be folding this in half, I'd like to know where row 20 is. Excuse me. Row 21. You will turn your work. And you will immediately single crochet decrease. So I'm going to show you one now. You go into your first stitch, pull up a yarn. You go into the second one, you pull up your yarn. And then you go through all 3 loops. Then you will single crochet in the next 11 stitches. Once you've made your 11 single crochet, you will single crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches. That will be row 21. Done. Row 22. Single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 9 stitches. And in your last 2 stitches, you're going to single crochet decrease. Row 23, single crochet decrease over the first 2 stitches, single crochet over the next 7 stitches, and in your last 2 stitches, single crochet decrease. There's the decrease. Turn your work. Again, single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches. Then you will single crochet across 5 stitches. And do with the last 2 stitches, single crochet decrease. Turn your work. Single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, single crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches. Row 26. Single crochet in the first 2 stitches, single crochet in the 1 stitch, single crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches. Row 27. single crochet in the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, turn your work. Row 28, single crochet over those last 2 stitches, and chain 1, cut your yarn. So that you are done with the decreasing. You will fold your work in half. I'm just using these stitch markers so that we actually make the envelope. And you need to sew the ends. So it's up to you, whatever method you want to use. I am going to single crochet. Sorry about the lighting. We have load shedding. I'm going to single crochet across with this purple that looks like blue. But over the joining, well, the part that's doubled, it's 1 single crochet per row, so that's 10 rows. And when you go up the side, it's 9 single crochets. You don't have to use single crochets. You can make a frilly edge should you wish to. But I'm going to meet you at the point of the envelope, which I will show you in a few seconds' time. And I'll meet you just there. So now we're at the top, and we're going to chain 1, and we're going to make 9 single crochets across those 9 rows. At the same time, I'm going to hide the tail. And the part that's the double at the bottom, that's the actual envelope pocket, we're going to make 10 single crochets. And I'll meet you at the edge right there. So we're at our edge. Chain 1, cut your yarn. Now this is the time we are going to work in our tails. Because I'm using a contrasting color, I want to work I'll be working my edges, my tails into that specific color so that you don't see it. Just go down 4 to 5 stitches and cut your tails, and I'll do that off camera. Now, for the heart part, I've put it as a link in the description where you can find the heart, because I've made the heart before. You can either put this heart on the front or the back. I will leave this choice to you. I'm going to use glue and stick this on, and this glue dries clear. Reason being, I don't want to, if I use purple to join this to the actual project, you'll be able to see the purple in the pocket of the envelope. If I use white, the person will still be able to see it. So I just decided to use some glue, and here we go. And it takes a few minutes to dry, but that's it. It's a perfect little cute Valentine's gift. If you have kids, just to slip in a note in there and pop it in their bag or their lunch tin, on top of their lunch tins. But here you go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.